In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. This is going to be an easy fix, and if you follow the steps in this video, you will actually be able to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. Let's get started right now. So what you want to do first, you want to open TikTok, of course, and then let's just show you that I cannot go live as of right now. So what you want to do, you want to get rid of that. You want to click on me, and you want to click at the three little dots at the top right corner. So pretty much go to this like little menu or settings, and then once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on report a problem. A lot of people are trying to find out how to fix their issues, and you will see like questions that get asked a lot on this tab. Then right there, you want to click on live/transaction, and you want to click on I would like to start a live. Then right there, they'll say that you need to be at least 16 years old and all of that. You want to click on no, and you want to click on still have a problem. Now right there, you can actually send feedback. So what you want to do, you actually want to type in hi, and then next up, you want to say, I could go live in the past, but I can't anymore. And then next up, you want to say, my fans would love to see me go live. And then you want to say, thank you. Right there, you can also add your contact email, but you just want to click on send. And then within 2 days from now, about 2 days, let's say 48 hours, you will actually be able to go live. I've tested this many times. I've seen many people do this and it works. Now, please guys, be patient and come back in 2 days to this video. If this works, leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.